In Melbourne, Australia, your video gate station down under reading this mail.
Yes, sir. I take a big shot trying to kill, boy. You got condition, man. Mother Nature sitting in your face. Switchblade, so he might be 5,000 or 6,000 miles away. Hell, I'm about 8,000 miles away. Take him, ain't no hot skip and jump on, nigga. Hey, look here, I'll tell you what I do, but they don't like you from skip and jump out straight. Take care, my friend, Postmaster. I am your big brother. Like no other. Switchblade, Wolflake. Bye-bye.
And I like the way you do it. I like the way you say it. A Switchblade Wolflake out there, wall-to-wall, treetop tall. My big brother from another mother. Hey, Switchblade Wolflake, you take him easy, take care. God's grace and bless God bless grace around your place. Yeah, I always get tongue twisted with that one there, big brother. Switchblade Wolflake, take him easy. Bumper down when we can with you. Another day, another way. Postman, Melbourne, Australia. Your postmaster down under back reading this mail. I'll see ya.
10 Roger conditions over now. Somebody keyed up with you, but I can't understand what they're saying. And you are falling out my radio on that vocabulary show. Be blessed, my brother. That's real talk right there. Tell you later. Worldwide Postmaster, worldwide Postmaster, the master. The Switchblade Wolflake. Tell you something.
And that be my Switchblade Wolflake. Click, click, Roger. Switchblade Wolflake, Postman, down under 10-6 for a bit. I'll see ya.
10 Roger. Sam Cook built 12 element. Sometimes this 12 element flat side work like a ground plane. I want to catch Sam Cook and whoop his black. Hey, Postmaster, sometime Mother Nature make my antenna work like a ground plane. I want to take my antenna technician and whoop his black. Take care of the radar, Postmaster. I ain't coming back.
Well, your ground plane be working for you. Hey, Switchblade Wolflake, you said sometimes your antenna work like a ground plane. Well, that'd be a what would that be, man? That'd be like a 24 element ground plane right there. Hey, Switchblade Wolflake. Oh no, actually that'd be like a 22 element ground plane. Take the two driven elements, or the one side of each side of the driven element. You know what I'm talking about. That'd be a 22 element ground plane right there. Switchblade Wolflake, Postman down under. Said it. I'm back quiet.
Sit on you right on, my brother. Well, I tell you what, you're doing right for shot. You said how many elements? Hell, I'm on 12 elements. Thought I was doing something. You said 22 elements? Wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. Hey, Postmaster. Hey, Postmaster, you put your damn glasses on. Are you seeing double? You said 22 elements? I'm going to tell you, Postmaster, Switchblade 12 elements finish out is right back.
Hey, Switchblade, what I'm saying to you, man, you said you got to talk to your antenna builder about this beam of yours. They're working like a ground plane at times, you said. So I just figured it out, man. Ground plane has one vertical element, and it has all these ground plane radials on the bottom. Now, if we work it out, if we do the technical shit and we work it out properly, then the driven element on that 12 element flat side, that'd be your vertical section. That leaves you with each side has 11 elements per side, 11 9-foot sections per side. So that makes it around about 22 element ground plane. That'd be like a 22 element ground plane there. 410. Hey, lowrider, BYU country. I was going to wait on him, but I can't do that, man. Hey, lowrider, Switchblade Wolflake dropped down to about 7 pound, and you're sitting around about 20 pound. Hello out there, lowrider in the BYU country. Hello out there, lowrider around Louisiana. 06 Postman, Melbourne, Australia, right there. Check on that there, lowrider. Lowrider out there around Lake Charles, Louisiana. Hey, lowrider, you can do it too easy there, big brother. Lowrider out there around Lake Charles, Louisiana. You can do it too easy in my radio right about now. Lowrider, more lowrider. 06 Postman, Australia. Lowrider, your Postman down under. Got a video gate rolling on you right now. Lowrider, Postman, Australia, getting up. And I appreciate you bumming it down, letting me know you heard me out there in the world of sound. Lowrider out there around Lake Charles, Louisiana. You take them on easy, bump it down with you another day, another way. You 06 Postman, Melbourne, Australia. 06 Postmaster, down under. Back reading this mail now. See ya. Who else out there were around the BYU was saying my name? I heard someone, I think it was 22 or something like that. Come on. Oh, I think it was 22 out there around Lake Charles, barefooted style, man. Well, 22 out there around Lake Charles, barefooted style. Got you in my radio, got you on my gate. I got a gate rolling on this end. 22 out there around Lake Charles, barefooted style, Postman, Australia, right there. 22, appreciate a bump back. Someone else keyed up with you there too, man. 22 out there around Lake Charles, barefooted radio. It's surely working for you. 8,000 or 9,000 miles away. 06 Postman, Melbourne, Australia. Your postmaster down under reading this mail. Hey, lowrider, he's just let him know he's hitting me about 3 dB, man, but it be working for sure. Hey, lowrider, let him know it's only about 3 dB, but it be working for sure. Postman down under said it.
Hey, he must have lost condition because he was in there when I keyed up.
Hey, lowrider, I still got conditions, man. You're hitting me about 10 dB right about now. Hey, lowrider, I still got conditions on you, man. You're hitting me about 10, 15 dB right about now.
Yeah, 06. Hey, Postmaster, I'm talking on my driver. Hey, Postmaster, I dropped down and working 2500 Z's right now. Hey, Postmaster, lowrider, working 2500 Z's, right?
Well, those 500Zs be working for you on the driver there, lowrider, no doubt about it. I got around about 8, 9, sometimes 10, 15 dB on you on the driver. Hey, lowrider, you're working 500Zs. I'm working 228.79s on this end, man. I'm throwing 100 bird watts down. Hey, lowrider, I'm throwing 100 bird watts down. Postman, Melbourne, Australia said it. What do you think about it? Come on. Well, 500Zs, like I said, that be working for you too there, lowrider, no doubt about it, man. Keep a lot of the flowers for yourself. I'm only working 100 bird watts because that's all I got right now. Hey, lowrider, I'm only working 100 bird watts because that's all I got on my station right now. I got power supply getting built for my 16 pill. I should have that bagging line real soon. And I've got to put my quad up on the tower as well. So right now I'm working the Band-Aid station with 100 bird watts. I will have the 16 pill back in line soon, and I will have the antenna up probably about another 50, 60 feet higher in the air. A lowrider out there around Lake Charles, Louisiana, your 06 Postman, your Postmaster, your long-winded station down under right there. Lowrider, right there, right back like a heart attack. No gap between the keys. Straight there and you receive. Lowrider out there around Lake Charles, Louisiana. Well, you said pleasure double measure. I also say pleasure double measure on this end. You put a smile on my dial. You made it all worthwhile. Lowrider, Lake Charles, Louisiana, 06. Your Postman, your Postmaster, the mailman down under. Always reading this mail now. I'll see you.
Real good copy, real good copy. Hey, Postman, Postmaster, real good copy. Lowrider, BYU country, night climb.
Click, 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 click. Bye, yay, 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 yay.